Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to film this look that I'm wearing right now. It's like a Valentine's inspired look. I hope you enjoy it. I use a lot of Penny's makeup in this video actually. So if you've been wanting to try some of their stuff, or if you saw some of their new stuff coming out and you want to know what they're like before you get them, I do actually use a lot of their like foundation, powder, concealer, and I did get the brow pencils as well, which are very similar to the Benefit one, the Precisely My Brow. I didn't use them in this video, but if you want to see me use them, I can definitely do that because they're very similar. Yeah, I could even do a whole face of Penny's makeup at this stage because I have eyeshadows, I have lips, I have foundation. If that's something you're interested in seeing, definitely let me know because I could actually do that. But yeah, this is the makeup look that I filmed today. Yes, my hair is orange. If you want to know why, just keep on watching because I do mention it at the start of the video. But I don't think I have anything else to say right now. I hope you enjoyed this video and let's just get started. Cool, so a couple of things before I start. I am going to do this video kind of like half voiceover and half talk through, just because the voiceover kind of killed me and I really wasn't good at it. So I'm kind of going to do like a bit of half and half for this video. My skin isn't looking so good at the minute, even though I was sticking to my skincare routine and it was looking better. Now it's just not looking as good again, but I think it will be okay. I think it's just clearing itself up, purifying itself. I have started eating like pretty healthy and I joined the gym and stuff, so I think that might be it as well. It's just kind of like getting rid of all the bad stuff. So that's kind of the issue I have going on around my face. And also my hair. Yeah. My hair, you probably don't know unless you follow me on Instagram. My hair, I got done just before Christmas and I got like a really light peach and it's kind of like a pastel-y peach and I loved it. And it faded like so quickly and I really wanted it back again, so I got a like color, kind of like a color bomb thing, but I could only get it in copper or in pink, and the pink was like super pink. So I was like, I'll get the copper and I'll just dilute it with conditioner and then it'll be like a pastel-y orangey peach. But it kind of came out pretty bright, so now it's like bright orange a bit. But I'm not mad at it, you know? And it'll fade super quick because they just do anyway, like it's not permanent or anything. So it should fade like fairly quickly. It'll probably fade and then it'll be really nice for like a couple of days and then it'll be gone again. So yeah, if you're wondering why my hair is orange, that's why. So to start off, I'm going to be priming my face. I'm using the Professional Matte Rescue by Benefit. And I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer under my eyes and on my nose. So then for foundation, I'm going to be mixing a little bit of the serum foundation from The Ordinary. And I'm going to be mixing that with the Maybelline Matte and Poreless in 102. And then I'm going to take the Benefit Precisely My Brow and I'm going to fill in my brows. Cool, so then I'm going to take the Penny's My Perfect Colour Cream Concealer in the shade Vanilla. And I'm going to use that to prime my lids. And then I'm going to set that using the shade Marshmallow from the Too Faced Best Year Ever palette. So then going back into the Too Faced palette, I'm picking up the shade Christmas Dream and I'm just going to blend that into my crease. And I'm going into my Modern Renaissance. I'm picking up the shade Boon Fresco and I'm going to pop that in my crease as well. So then picking up the shade Love Letter, I'm going to take a smaller blending brush and I'm going to pop it right in the outer corner and blend it into my crease. And then I'm also picking up a little bit of the shade Cypress Umber and I'm just going to blend that in my very outer corner. And then going back into my Too Faced palette, I'm going to take the shade Snow Day and I'm going to use that to set the concealer. Now going back to my Modern Renaissance, I'm picking up the shade Vermeer and I'm going to press that on my inner corner. So I'm going to take my Inglot Sparkle Dust in the shade 01 and I'm going to wet my brush and I'm just going to pack this shade on top of the Vermeer shade. And now for liner, I'm going to take the Kat Von D liner in the shade Trooper. And then for lashes, it's the Sosu lashes in Paris. So I'm just going to take a little cotton pad with some micellar water on it and I'm just going to clean up any of the fallout under my eyes. So I'm just going back in with this concealer and I'm just popping it under my eyes. I'm just going to set under my eyes with the Penny's translucent powder. And I'm going to take the MAC Studio Fix powder in NW20 to set the rest of my face. And then for bronzer, I'm grabbing the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronzer. And then for blush, I'm just popping on a tiny bit of the MAC blush in Blush Baby. And for highlight, I'm using the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in Smoke and Whistles. And then for highlight, I'm grabbing the Anastasia Glow Kit in Sun Dipped, and I'm taking the shade Moonstone. And then with my pencil brush, I'm going to be smudging Love Letter under my lower lash line, and then I'm popping Cypress Umber in the outer corner of my lower lash line. And then I'm just going to tightline with the Maybelline Master Drama eyeliner. So for lips, I'm taking the Huda Beauty lip liner in Trophy Wife. And then I'm going to take the Huda Beauty liquid lip in Muse. And then for my bottom lashes, I'm just taking some of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Cool, so this is the finished result. Please excuse my orange hair. Although I kind of like it. Makes me feel a bit feisty. But yeah, this is the look I came up with. I hope you enjoyed. Leave me a comment and let me know what kind of other videos you might like to see. I know I'm after doing like 3 makeup videos. Well, this will be the 3rd. Just if there's anything else you want to see, so it's not like makeup, 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 makeup. Unless that is what you want to see. In that case, just let me know what kind of makeup videos you'd like me to see. Maybe I could do like a spring kind of look, or a green Paddy's Day look, since that'll be just around the corner anyway. So yeah, just let me know what kind of videos you want to see and I will definitely get them done for you. So yeah, I think that's it. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and subscribe if you don't already. And I think that's all. If you want to watch my previous video, you can click here, and if you want to subscribe, you can click here. So yeah, I think that's it, and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.